alaikum. I am Fatima Aifa. I am studying in first standard B. Today I am going to tell you a small story. Two cats and one monkey. Once upon a time, there are two cats. They are good friends. One day they got piece of a bread. While sharing, they made big and small pieces. So they began to fight for a bigger piece. At the same time, monkey saw them fighting. The monkey said, "I will share it equally." He beat bigger piece to make it equal. Again he beat another bigger piece to make it equal. Bit by bit, monkey eat all the bread and he went away happily. The poor cats lost the bread. Their moral: we have learned to share what we have. Assalamu alaikum.